Hello everyone, it is Elvira, Mistress of the Dark, but you may call me tonight. Just kidding, it is me, Denise Draven. So of course, obviously, I'm just like Elvira. I just love dressing up like Elvira. I feel like I am my best self right now, best version. I feel amazing. I look amazing. I love being Elvira. So yeah, so today we're gonna be talking about the new Monster High Elvira Skull Lecter doll. She's just beautiful. I'll show you guys her in a minute, but wow. When I saw, I knew she was being released because like it kind of got leaked somewhere online, so I kind of knew about it for like the last like few months, and finally seeing the images of it, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm totally gonna get her. Told myself I was not gonna buy dolls for a while, but then they released this one. That's because I had just gotten like the Bride of Frankenstein doll set, so they're taking all my money this year. But yes, so here is the box. It has Elvira on it. I really like it. It's simple, it looks beautiful. I really like how her liner and lashes pop out on the box. I don't know if y'all can like see the shininess of it, like that looks really cool. I think it looks like a really cool effect actually. Even the gloss is shiny as well. And of course you got like smoke down here and her logo. It's really pretty. I actually really like it. And like it even like shows like a close-up detail of like the eyes as well. You can see like the spiderweb detailing inside of her eyes. I think that's a really cool detail. I really like how they added that to the doll. On the side of the box it says, it has her logo on it, Elvira, Mistress of the Dark. And then on the other side of the box it has a picture of her with some smoke down here, the Monster High logo. I really like it because like I really like how they make her eyes and her lips shiny, and like it makes it pop out more. It looks really cool. It gives a more dramatic effect. Also, one thing I wanted to add, that this box is actually smaller than like the other Skull Lecter dolls. Like it's more like skinnier. I would go get my Dracula one just to compare it, but I don't really feel like doing that right now. But yeah, it's skinnier than like all the other like Skull Lecter dolls. This is cool. Also, it is slightly taller than the Dracula box too. I noticed that as well. So on the back of the box we have some text. It says Elvira, Mistress of the Dark on top, Elvira, Mistress of the Dark doll, and I will read what it says in the paragraphs. Hello, darling. As the Mistress of the Dark, you know I love giving you glam, gore, and cheap thrills. Well, not too cheap, because mama's gotta eat. But my absolute favorite thing to do is curl up with my fellow creatures of the night and catch a great horror flick. And I've got the perfect outfit for a macabre movie night. A ghoulishly glam gown with a peekaboo split, cause hey, this is a family show, paired with the spooky spider stilettos, my signature dagger, and of course, Great Aunt Morgana's magic ring that goes with everything, including eternal damnation. So let's get ready for a night of screams and unpleasant dreams. Elvira. It even has like her little signature on the back. I think that's a really cute detail that they, like a really nice detail they added to it. Love it. So let's get this box open. And oh my god, you guys, she is a really beautiful doll. I'm just gonna say that already. Obviously, I opened her already. Well, not the doll itself, but I looked at her. Wow, you guys. Obviously you can't really see her now because all the lights are like being annoying and like. But I'll show you guys close-ups and stuff of everything I'm talking about with this doll. But she is so beautiful, you guys. Oh my god, it's like a little mini me. I might dress up like her now. So cute. But yeah, oh my goodness, you guys, like the details in this doll is so beautiful. I'm just like in love with her face mold, her face shape. There's a lot of speculations of it being either between the Headmistress or Spectra Bonder, guys. I'm leaning more towards the Headmistress or the headless Headmistress. I don't know, like her face is very sculpted, cheekbones are really sharp. I really like that. It just makes this doll look really beautiful. Like, I think this is probably, like, one of my favorite Monster High dolls, like, Skull Lecter dolls that I've gotten so far. I'm kind of like, I know my Dracula one was my top one, but, like, this one's kind of, like, winning the spot now for my number one. She's really beautiful, like, beautifully made. Her face has a very beautiful sculpt. The high cheekbones, the sharp cheekbones, the dark, beautiful lips. And then, of course, the eyes, you guys, like, the spiderwebs in the eyes is a really nice detail. Like, it's a really small detail, but I like how they pay attention to small details like that. I love that. And of course, she has the iconic Elvira makeup with the eyeshadow, the blue, red, and even added some purple eyeshadow as well. I think that's a really nice touch. And then of course, she has her little beauty mark as well. I have a little bat beauty mark actually. So yeah, so of course she has a high voluminous hair, just like mine. I really like that. Of course, I wouldn't be Elvira without that. And she has these beautiful like snake earrings, like snake drop earrings. They look like they have like the Monster High Skull logo like on the base of them, and of course like the little snakes are like going down. And of course she has the iconic Elvira dress It does have a little bit of print on it, a little bit of spider webs, and like some of the little Monster High skulls printed on them. I kind of wish maybe they added like glitter detailing on the spider webs. I think that would have been a nice touch. By the way, it looks really nice. It's cute. I like how they added more details and rather than just putting her in a simple black dress. Of course, they had to add their own Monster High touch to it. She has like the low drop neck. Kind of wish it went lower, to be honest. Because, you know, she's all about that, you know. She's like... And apparently, also like, one thing I want to mention, I think apparently they use like the Big Sister like body model on her. Like the Big Sister Monster High doll body. If that's right, what I'm looking for. They tried giving her a little bit of volume on her chest. But I don't know, it's kind of hard with these dolls because like they're already like really skinny, so at least I tried. But I really like it either way. She is missing the very two most important things that makes Elvira Elvira, but it is a Monster High version of her, so I'm not complaining too much about that. Of course, she has the iconic dagger belt. Like waist belt, has like some spiderweb detailing on it, and of course a dagger on it. And she even has like these really beautiful and cute black stiletto nails. I wish I had time to do my nails, but just like match her, but yeah. She has like these really cute black stiletto nails. I like that little touch to her. I think it's really cute. And then of course Aunt Morgana's ring, the nice cute little ruby red ring. And then she has like these really beautiful black mesh tights. And the shoes, you guys, oh my god, the shoes are they're so cute. I do like the spiderweb detailing on them. They're just simple black stiletto pointed shoes, pointed heels with like black, like with spiderweb detailing on them, like spiderweb embossing on them. I think it's really cute. Honestly, I really want some shoes like that for myself. Yeah, I really want that so much. Her dress is really pretty. I like the way it opens up. It's like a side slip and it kind of opens up in the front. It looks really beautiful. The sleeves are really cool. I have like bell sleeves, but like they're really cool because they're like kind of like cut up and like bell sleeve like. I think that looks really cool. It adds like a really nice spooky effect to her. Same thing at the bottom of the dress as well. It's like all like cut up, like little shreds. And also one thing I noticed about my box, it's like it wants to come out. Like it keeps like coming out. Woo! Yeah, I don't want to do that, but it's coming out really easily. You know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna take off this because this just wants to come out. I might have to clean this because like it's all dusty inside of here. I noticed that. Oh, she smells good. She has like the new doll scent to her. And I never open these dolls. I mean, they don't come out this easy, honestly. At least I don't think so. But I noticed that this one, she's been coming out. Like I can just pull her out right now, honestly. I could open her. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. I'm keeping her box. Like the box detailing, now you can see her better now that I took off the plastic bit. Yeah, she is so cute. So I really do like all the detailing on the inside of the box. Kind of looks like, you know, it gives like the whole, like it creates like a whole scene, a whole ambiance to it and everything. So I'm gonna start off with this right hand side of the box. So there's curtain, there's like a window right there. There's curtains, these beautiful red velvet looking curtains, really elegant. And then of course there's a moon and a bat flying around and like a spooky tree. I think that really adds to the effect. I love that. And of course her little dog, I don't remember her dog's name right now. It's like a little poodle, like a cute pink mohawk. It's so cute, and like its little collar. And of course the background of the box is really cool as well. There's a bunch of like picture frames. I can see like a picture frame of her like in this right hand side. I can see a picture frame of her and like a black cat on this right hand side. I think that's a really cute touch. There's like a mirror, a really like ornate, elegant looking mirror with like the Monster High logo, skull logo on top of it. I think that's a really cute touch actually. I can't tell what's in top frame. Oh, the top frame is actually a little picture of Elvira. Kind of looks like she's posing lingerie. I'd have to take the box out in order to see it better. You know what, we're just gonna take this out. Screw it, it's my doll, I paper. I never do this, oh my god. Yeah, so it is a picture of her like in lingerie. It's really iconic. I love that. And I kind of made it so tiny. It's like it's barely there, but it's there. And then down below there's a bird cage with like crows in it. And then there's a candelabra in the back. And behind her there's like a shelf with like candles. And of course the iconic like antique red Victorian velvet couch. And there's a skull sitting on it. He has his hand over his face. It's so cute. I love that little touch. And then on the left hand corner of the box side, there's like a tiger head, I think. It's like a cat, a big like wild cat head mounted on the wall. There's like a bird cage with candles inside of it, tea light candles over the fireplace, and there's a fireplace. And inside the fire, I didn't notice this until right now. I like this detail, but in the fire it says yours cruelly. I think that's a really cool detail. I like how they hide little details like that within their packaging. And on the back of the box, there's a certificate of authenticity. Kind of want to open it up just to see how it looks like. I'm just gonna, you know, take a quick little peek at that. Cool. So it's like a little postcard, a little certificate. And it says, this certifies that your Monster High collector Elvira Mrs. the Dark doll materialized through the collaborative efforts of designers and artists at Mattel. Signed, Rebecca Shipman. That's cool. I didn't know they actually came with certificates because I never like take them out of the box. They don't come out this easy for me usually. But that's a really cool detail, like a really cool. That's like a really cool thing to include. But I saw someone on Instagram had actually taken her out, and on the back it was labeled Queen Bee, which I believe is like Cassandra Peterson's like toy company or guest company makes her merch. I'm not sure. But I remember it did say Queen Bee on the back, and I think that's her company. Her bangs are a little bit frizzy. I don't know if I can like comb them down. It's so funny. I never open like my Monster High collector dolls like this, so I don't really get to like touch and feel them ever. So this is like my first time opening one. Now I kind of just want to take her out. And she has like that fresh like doll smell to her, and I just love it so much. I'm like, wow. You can kind of see like the Monster High label inside the dress here. Kind of peeks out. I kind of wish they maybe put that somewhere else, because you can kind of see it like when you're looking at it like straight ahead, you know. You can see it. It's kind of distracting, but it's whatever. But the little tag says, from the makers of Monster High Collector 2020 Mattel. But oh my god, her face is so pretty. Yeah, this is definitely the headmistress's face mold for sure. Like, just looking at her. I just can't believe like how easy it just came out. Like, I don't know, I feel like the other Monster High Collector dolls don't come out this easy. I don't know. I'm not sure if anyone had that with this doll. Maybe it's my box. It's a cute box. I like it. But oh my goodness. Like, it's so nerve-wracking for me to be able to, like, you know, physically touch the doll instead of looking at her through the plastic. Wow. So, like, I'm touching her hair, and wow. It's, like, totally hairsprayed. Like, it's, like, a shield. You can, like, knock on that. That's good, though. That's good that they added, like, a lot of, like, hairspray or glue to it. So, her hair was stick. I had to add a crap ton of hairspray to this to make it smooth and stay. So I get it. Wow, she's just, I'm just admiring her, you guys, and I'm just like, beautiful. This is definitely like one of my favorite dolls that I've added to my collection recently. Like, wow, she's so pretty. I mean, all of them are my favorites, but oh my goodness, this is my number one now. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also, if you guys are curious, check out all my other past Monster High Collector doll reviews. I recently reviewed the Bride of Frankenstein set. Before that, I did the Dracula Monster High doll, and then of course the Beetlejuice dolls from like last year or 2 years ago. So yeah, I have like 3 other like Monster High Collector doll reviews on my channel. So tell me what you guys think down below in the comments of this doll. Did you get this doll? Did you try getting her? What do you think about her design? Let me know. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content if you guys haven't yet. I do occasionally review Monster High dolls. My channel is not exclusively about Monster High, but I kind of feel like it's becoming a Monster High channel. I'm trying not to make it Monster High. I'm trying to like, you know, do a variety of things like makeup and crafts, goth content, I guess. But yeah. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!